How to send an invoice through Wise. Need to send a professional invoice and get paid directly into Wise? Let's walk through the process step by step. So, first, go ahead and log into your Wise account. Now, from the dashboard, go ahead and head over into the Payments tab. So on the payments tab, you'd be able to find this scheduled transfers, recurring card payments, bill splits, payment requests, direct debits. Now, since what you want to do is to send an invoice to that specific individual, simply select payment requests. So this will allow you to create a new request, such as a payment request from that specific individuals. For example, I want to create a new request. I'll simply click on this and that will take you here. So in here, you can go ahead and send the invoice directly by entering their Wise tag into this section and clicking on their name from the results. But if you don't have their Wise tag or Wise information, simply click on the share a payment link button and then enter the amount of payment that you want to request from them. And then you can go ahead and add the description for the invoice into this section and then click on this create payment link button. So this will allow you to create a payment link for this specific request. So simply send this payment link to that specific client whom you want to send an invoice to. You can also send them the QR code if you prefer to do that. And that is how you can send an invoice through Wise.